For decades, the Bermuda Triangle has sparked fear, wonder, and thousands of conspiracy theories. Located between Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, it covers over 500,000 square miles of deep, unforgiving ocean. Countless ships and aircraft have disappeared here, sometimes with distress calls, sometimes in complete silence. And the mystery? It only deepens with every incident. Dramatic reenactment, historical vanishings. Let's rewind to December 5, 1945. 5 U.S. Navy bombers took off from Fort Lauderdale for a routine training flight. Radio transmissions soon became frantic. Pilots reported disorientation, malfunctioning compasses, and strange visibility. And then, Flight 19, along with all 14 crew members, vanished. Even the search plane sent to find them disappeared. No wreckage was ever recovered. It was the Bermuda Triangle's first globally famous incident, and it wouldn't be the last. Modern disappearances. Fast forward to 2015. El Faro, a 790-foot American cargo ship, left Jacksonville, Florida, headed for Puerto Rico. The ship's last message? A chilling report of mechanical failure and extreme weather. Despite modern tracking and safety systems, El Faro sank with all 33 crew lost. It took weeks to locate the wreckage, sitting silently at the bottom of the sea. So, what's really happening in the Bermuda Triangle? Is it cursed? Is there a wormhole? Or is something else at play? The wind bomb theory. Recently, meteorologists began noticing something strange in satellite images of the region: hexagonal clouds. That's right, hexagons. Clouds don't usually form geometric shapes, unless something powerful is happening in the atmosphere. Scientists from the University of Colorado believe these hexagonal formations could be the key to understanding the phenomenon. They propose that these clouds produce sudden, violent air bombs, microbursts of wind that hit the ocean surface at over 170 miles per hour. Now imagine, you're a pilot flying through calm skies. Then suddenly, a downward burst of wind slams into your aircraft, forcing it into the ocean. No time to react. No signal to send. Visual explanation: the mechanics. Here's how it works. These so-called air bombs are intense, localized downdrafts formed when dry, cold air in the upper atmosphere mixes rapidly with warm ocean air. They produce violent wind shear and massive waves, sometimes reaching 45 feet tall. A ship caught in that storm has virtually no chance. Planes? The turbulence could rip them apart before they ever hit the water. And the odd part? These cloud formations tend to hover over specific pockets of the triangle, almost like they're programmed to strike. Debunking the myths. So, does that mean the Bermuda Triangle is no longer a mystery? Not exactly. Many disappearances can be explained by storms, human error, and yes, even pirates. The Gulf Stream current in the region is among the fastest in the world. A ship sinking could be swept away in minutes, scattering debris across hundreds of miles, making it nearly impossible to find. Magnetic anomalies? They exist, but the region isn't unique in that. There are other places on Earth where compasses behave strangely due to shifts in Earth's magnetic field. But aliens? Time portals? Sea monsters? There's no solid evidence. Still, that doesn't stop people from believing. Personal anecdote, with humor. I even met a guy who swore he disappeared in the triangle for 2 hours, then reappeared with a sunburn and no memory. He claims aliens dropped him off somewhere near Key West. I'm not saying I believe him, but I'm also not saying I don't. Final thought: why we love the unknown. So maybe, just maybe, we don't want the Bermuda Triangle mystery to be solved. We crave wonder. We chase the thrill of the unknown. And this mysterious patch of ocean gives us all that and more. But if science continues to advance, and if satellite data keeps revealing strange atmospheric phenomena, we may soon understand that the Devil's Triangle is less about curses and more about clouds. Do you have your own theory about the Bermuda Triangle? A story passed down in your family? Or maybe a close call on the open sea? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the world's most fascinating mysteries, give us a like and subscribe for more strange science and real-world riddles. Until next time, stay curious and keep your compass steady.